Today you are going to listen to the informational text, They Really Are Giant, by Judy Williams. The genre for this is informational text, and informational text gives facts about a topic. This is a magazine article. Have you ever read a magazine before? And our text focus is a bar graph. A bar graph is a drawing that uses bars to compare numbers. To some farmers, plain, ordinary sized vegetables seem boring. These farmers think big. They like to grow the biggest vegetables ever. Let's check them out. Our heading here says World Record Breakers. Plants are always blooming in California. The scent of rich soil fills the air. Every year in Half Moon Bay, the town holds the World Championship Pumpkin Weigh-Off. The judges all nodded yes when they saw the 2007 winner. It weighed 1,524 pounds, more than a big horse. Pumpkins aren't the only giant veggies, though. Some farmers use their muscles and heavy shovels to dig up 30-pound beets and turnips. Although these giants look tough, they are tender and delicious to eat. So, one text feature we had was our heading, World Record Breakers, but there is another. We have our text feature that goes along with our graphic feature. We have a photograph that we can see, and our caption right here in this blue box. Remember, a caption always tells more about what's happening inside of a photo. It says that star won the first prize at the Half Moon Bay contest for his super-sized pumpkins. And our next heading, Home of the Giants. Alaska might be the home of giant veggies. More giant vegetables seem to grow there than any other place in the world. Long summer days and good soil make veggies grow and grow. You can see 98-pound cabbages at the Alaska State Fair in Palmer. 7-year-old Brenna Dinkle from Wasilla, Alaska looks small next to this giant wrinkled leaf cabbage. I'm zooming in a little bit so you can see that. She is 7 years old, so maybe close to your age. And she's sitting next to, this is a cabbage. She does look small next to the cabbage. Can you imagine? The only cabbage I have found has been at Horrocks, and it usually fits just a little bit bigger than in my hand. So if you remember, the text focus is a bar graph. And a bar graph is a drawing that uses bars to compare numbers. So let's look at our bar graph. I'm going to zoom in. This is our bar graph. And a bar graph uses bars to compare numbers. We have the title, How Big Are They? We have weight over here on the side, going up from 0 pounds, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, so it's going by tens. And then it's comparing the sizes of a carrot, a cucumber, red cabbage, so that's supposed to be maybe a second grader, and then a radish. But these are not just ordinary vegetables, as you can see. because the cucumber that I cut up earlier today was not 27 pounds. And maybe the carrots that you helped buy from the grocery store, one of them is not 19 pounds. So take a look at this bar graph. Let's compare some numbers. Which item, which vegetable or person, which one on this bar graph, what is the smallest? A carrot is the smallest, isn't it? At 19 pounds. Which one's the biggest? The radish is biggest at 68 pounds. 68 pounds. How many more pounds does the radish weigh than you, or the second grader? 60 pounds to 68 pounds. The radish weighs 8 more pounds. Wow. So the bars on the bar graph, with the numbers on the side, help you to compare and see the differences in sizes. And you can do this with the giant vegetables. You can often see bar graphs in nonfiction books because they are part of nonfiction text features. Do you think that you would like to help garden giant vegetables? I'm not sure that I would want to encounter anything that is bigger than me in the garden like that.